Hello everybody and welcome to Combe Valley Campers. Today slightly different for you. We are in a very wet East Sussex down at the home of Heritage Part Centre today. They have their monthly Heritics meet, which we love to come to and come to as much as we can. But also we are down here to pick up some parts for the 2K T5. With obviously Heritage help, we've been able to build the 2K T5. And what better time to come down here and enjoy all the cars on display at the same time. But I think right now I'm going to warm up, maybe get under some cover and go and grab a cup of tea or coffee. See you in a bit. Just want to say thank you to A-Plan Modified Van Insurance for sponsoring this series of Combe Valley Campers. We actually have the 2K T5 insured with A-Plan Modified Van Insurance because they will insure your vehicle from the moment you buy it until you convert it to a camper van and beyond. And if you would like a special rate for your next policy, mention Combe Valley Campers at the time you're asking for a quote and they will sort you out. We've made our way down to Heritage and we've come to collect the next bits and pieces for the 2K T5 product. There is no shop anymore, so what we did the click and collect, and we are here at the door to meet our man, Andy. Hey Andy, how's it going?
Yeah, good, thanks man. Nice
Good, good. You too? Right. What bits have you got for us today?
We had a phone call or something, didn't we? An email or something along those lines. Here we go, Combe Valley Campers. You've got cab step by the looks of things.
Nice, thank you very much.
Sliding door stepping. Some bits in there, there's your invoice.
One of the robbers.
And you've got a box as well. And you've got a box with a door seal kit in it.
Yes. Now this is the next big thing we're going to be doing to the channel. In the sense of these videos, which is the keeping your T5 alive. An entire door seal kit for your T5 is available from Heritage. We can't wait to get it fitted, so watch out for it in the next video. And don't forget, if you mention Combe Valley 10 at the checkout at Heritage, you get 10% discount. So things have changed a little bit now when it comes to buying your parts from Heritage. I mean, we've come down anyway because it's Heritics tonight, and I can't wait to see that. But we can't go to the shop anymore. Is that right?
Yeah, the shop itself, we've closed. Basically, obviously, COVID kind of pushed us that way. We've gone for basically a more efficient model. Most people just want to come in, get their stuff, get out. So it's now just a case of ordering your stuff online, putting it through, saying you want to collect it. And as you can see here, there's a whole load of orders here waiting for people to collect. So
awesome.
Yeah, come down, ring the bell, come through the door.
And what you'll find is there'll be a lot of people coming down today. They'll be coming down to the Heritics meet, which you'll be seeing shots of later. And they're taking the opportunity to get all their bits and pieces from Heritage while we're here. And what we will do later, once everybody's sort of gone home and they start doing the tours, which is going to be awesome, you can go and have a quick look around the warehouse itself, get a little bit of a sneak peek behind the scenes. And I think that's a really good thing that you do here. You know, it's nice for people to sort of see behind the closed doors.
I think, yeah, obviously for an e-commerce company, so a lot of companies run out of bedrooms. This obviously isn't a bedroom, and that kind of, that shows that we know what we're doing with it, really.
Yeah, it's great. I mean, I can't wait to have a look around later. It's an absolute labyrinth of shelves and corridors and everything else with everything you might need for your Volkswagen and more. So let's put these bits in the van. Let's have a look at the show cars, and then later on we'll show you inside the warehouse. Thank you very much again, Andy.
No worries, man.
Really appreciate it. And there we have it. Another cool event at Heritage Parts Centre. I just want to say thank you very much to the guys at Heritage once again for supporting the project, supporting the channel, and I hope you've had a good time. You know, there's always awesome cars here, and what we'll do, we'll leave a link down in the description. I can never say that right. I'll leave a link down in the description so you can check out all the dates for all the Heritics that are happening here and around the country in 2023. Thanks very much, and we'll see you next time.